With the card scanners, you may need to log in. If somebody has logged in during a previous class, you won't need to. But if you do need to log in, tap the screen, click on operator number, enter the number 1. That's the only option there is. For the PIN, enter 1111 and click OK. And you'll get a hello attendance screen. Ignore all the other buttons, click on event, and you will get a very long list of all of the courses being offered that semester. You can scroll through this, or you can search by the prefix. If you want to include the course number as well, just make sure you realize you need to enter the dash in between the prefix and the number, and not a space. This is not a keyword search, this is a literal string search. So I could do xcore-1000. I'll get all 30 or so sections of xcore 1000, which makes the scrolling a little bit easier. And I can find my section, which we will say is section 16. And the scanner is ready to go for the students to scan or tap in with their phones. The other option, you can learn the 4-digit code that's been assigned to your class. ITC will send out an email with these codes during the first day of classes, or you can see them here as well. Obviously, this just makes entering the code a little bit easier since it's only 4 digits. So you enter the proper 4-digit code, you see your class only, you click OK, and it's ready to go. That's all you need to do. The students will scan or swipe in. You don't need to log out. You don't need to do anything else at all. It will be ready to go for the next faculty member. Thanks.